Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, we are going to make a cat toy. We're going to be using the Cool Maker. It's the Sew Easy machine. It's really neat on how it can sew felt. It doesn't use any thread, and what it does is it has a couple needles and it goes like this, and it fuses the felt together. So we're going to be using this, and I bought some fabric, and we're going to be making a catnip toy for our cat. Gonna tell you all about it. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back to the show. We have ourselves some Kong natural catnip. I'll have a link down below where you can find this. The cat just loves it. And we have ourselves some felt and some cotton balls and our Sew Easy machine. So what color do you want to make?
Green.
So what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 catnip toys. And what we're going to do is fold this over, just like that. All right. And now we're going to make the pattern of our toy. So we're going to use a black marker. And I think I might kind of make a, like a big circle, just like this.
I think I'm going to do a hot toy.
All right.
Remember,
So just in easy shapes so we can sew around there. Before I start sewing, what I want to do is I probably want to stop sewing between here and there, and that way I can use my cotton balls and I can put in the catnip. So let's get out our Cool Maker sewing machine. It has an on and off button here. Go ahead and turn that on. All right, I'm going to turn that off first and get my pattern right here.
set.
Okay.
We're going to do it.
So now I'm going to go ahead and start this up. And the trick for using this machine is to go slow. I think the cat is getting excited.
For the catnip.
All right, I just made a pattern right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some cotton in there. There's a hole right here. So I'm going to stuff cotton in there and my catnip. And while I'm doing that, Lucas is going to be making his pattern. As you can see, this is really safe for children to use. There's no way they can get their fingers underneath there and get poked by the needles. And it has a protective case right there. So what are you going to do? Do another...
Wow.
Okay.
So the kitty doesn't get.
All right.
So the catnip.
Okay, now that we made our pattern, we have the cotton inside and the catnip, we're going to cut on the outside there. And what I would do is probably cut at least like 1/4 of an inch from the outside so we don't break the seam. So I'm cutting on the outside. This Cool Maker machine is really awesome. I have a link down below where you can find this on Amazon. And what I want to do is I want to show you how tough it is. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 pieces in there. And like I said, the trick is that you have to go slow. That way it takes time to fuse both of the materials together. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and stop. Now I have my seam right here. And now I want to show you how tough that is. Look at that. You know, I'm using all my strength and I cannot break that seam at all. Look at that. This is one tough sewing machine. I mean, not even using any kind of thread. It's just those needles are going like this and they're fusing everything in here. So, kitty! Here, kitty! Kitty, 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 kitty! Here it is. Let's see what she thinks of our cool catnip toys. I think she likes these toys. Hey, we'll have a link down below where you can find this cool maker sewing machine on Amazon. Also, we will have a link where you can find the Kong natural catnip. And right now, our cat is on the floor going crazy with these.
With my heart.
Yes. Hey, thanks a lot for joining us. I hope you have a great day today, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Bye-bye.